It's out on the water where I'm truly me. Out here, on the edge of a wave, when I'm really ripping it, that's when I feel alive. This is why I wear TenCate.
TenCate Protective Fabrics creates and manufactures textiles specifically to protect linemen, electricians, and other utility workers. Whether daily workwear or specific PPE for dangerous tasks, all of the fabrics TenCate makes use inherent flame-resistant fibers, meaning the protection never washes out or wears away. And TenCate makes the most comfortable fabrics available, some incorporating Cool-Derm technology, which wicks moisture like sweat away from your skin, keeping workers cooler when it's hot and drier when it's cool. Only TenCate Protective Fabrics offers the comfort and protection electricians, linemen, and other utility workers need on the job.
It's electrifying to surf the waves, but the last thing I want to experience is a surge of an electric arc flash. This is why I wear TenCate.